Can you believe that nearly 50% of people struggle to afford a down payment on a house? Yes, it's a startling statistic that sheds light on the harsh realities of the housing market. But don't lose hope just yet. There's an option that could change the game entirely. It's called a no down payment mortgage. So, what exactly is a no down payment mortgage? Simply put, it's a mortgage option that allows you to buy a home without having to put any money down up front. It sounds like a dream come true, right? But like every financial decision, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's delve into the positives first. The most obvious advantage is the immediate financial relief. With no down payment, you're not required to save up a substantial amount of money before you can buy a house. This can make homeownership more accessible, especially for those who have a stable income but struggle to save. Another advantage is the potential for increased buying power. With no down payment, you might be able to afford a more expensive home than you originally thought. This could open up more options in terms of location, size, and amenities. Now let's pivot to the disadvantages. The biggest downside is likely higher monthly payments. Since you're not putting any money down, you'll have to borrow more, which means your mortgage payments will be higher. This could potentially strain your monthly budget. Another disadvantage is the possibility of owing more than your home is worth. If property values decrease, you could end up in a negative equity situation. This means you owe more on your mortgage than your home is worth, which could make selling or refinancing your home more difficult. Lastly, no down payment mortgages often come with higher interest rates. This means you'll pay more over the life of your loan. It's crucial to consider these factors and weigh them against the potential benefits before making a decision. Despite these potential pitfalls, a no down payment mortgage could be an excellent option for you. It's all about understanding your unique financial situation and making an informed decision. Explore the no down payment mortgage options available to you. There are numerous programs out there like USDA and VA loans, as well as state and local grants designed to help individuals achieve their dream of homeownership without a hefty down payment. Remember, a no down payment mortgage isn't for everyone, but it could be the perfect fit for you. Don't let the daunting cost of a down payment deter you from exploring all your options. Take a look at our more extensive look at the USDA mortgage above to get a deep dive into that program.